I tried DesignerOpticscom review app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. DesignerOpticscom promises premium eyewear and a seamless online shopping experience, but most people get this wrong. They assume ordering glasses online means compromise on quality or fit. I spent a full week testing the app from browsing to delivery. On day 1, I explored the app interface. The surprising truth, it's clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. You can filter by style, brand, and even face shape. Many assume online eyewear stores are confusing, but DesignerOptics makes shopping effortless. By day 2, I tried the virtual try-on feature. You won't believe how accurate it is using your camera. The app overlays frames realistically, helping you make informed choices. Most people get this wrong, thinking online try-ons are gimmicky, but this felt very precise. Day 4, I placed my order. The checkout process was smooth, with multiple secure payment options and clear shipping estimates. Many expect hidden fees or delays, but this was transparent and straightforward. By day 6, my glasses arrived. Quality exceeded expectations: premium materials, perfect prescription accuracy, and elegant packaging. Most people assume online eyewear can't match in-store standards, but DesignerOptics proved otherwise. I also tested customer support for a quick inquiry about lens coatings. Response time was fast and helpful, breaking the stereotype that online support is slow or generic. On day 7, my final verdict: DesignerOpticscom review app is legit, convenient, and reliable. The shocking truth: you can get high-quality designer eyewear online without sacrificing fit, style, or customer service. With an intuitive interface, accurate virtual try-on, and responsive support, DesignerOptics proves that buying premium eyewear online can be secure, simple, and surprisingly satisfying.